Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you for the second half of October. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to take it according to your story. So let's get started, Geminis. Let's see what do we have for you in the last second half of October. Okay, so we have the Three of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Eight of Wands, Page of Cups, Five of Cups, the Devil, okay, the Two of Swords, the Sun, the Queen of Cups, Ace of Wands. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for you, Geminis. Okay, we have the Nine of Clubs, which is the sun of this deck. Here also we have the sun. Let's see. Guidance from the angels. Three of Emotions. So with the Three of Cups and the Two of Cups, what I am getting here is you're turning your back to something and you're moving towards a connection or a relationship or new horizons. So it is something which is emotionally fulfilling to you. So basically you're turning your back to a newer connection perhaps, which is more emotionally fulfilling and gratifying and balanced. Okay, so you are it's like you're looking at the stars in the sky, turning your back towards whatever was there in the past and moving on towards a new relationship. Again and again I feel it is a relationship only, though it can be something else which is more emotionally gratifying, because it can be a friendship also. Okay, with the Three of Cups, you're spending time with your friends, so it is turning your back towards something which is of no significance for you now and moving on to something more emotionally fulfilling, whatever it is. And here with the Eight of Wands, there is a lot of communication over here. It's talking about the communication and the happiness which you are feeling in this new connection or this new life, which is more emotionally fulfilling and vibrant to you. Okay. And here with the Page of Cups, what I am feeling here is it's like something which you were not expecting will happen to you, will ever happen to you. You thought it was unreachable, and now you are just happy. You have that vibe. You're sitting comfortable. Okay, I just thought I won't be able to achieve it, and I've done it. Yeah. It's giving the vibe of being very happy deep inside, and just it's a feeling, it's giving that feeling of self-worth. Like once you feel that when you're able to achieve something which you thought you won't be able to achieve, it was perhaps too high for you in some, and you are able to get it, or you are able to rather even manifest it. So here it is, you have done it. That's what I'm trying to say. And it was at one point in time, perhaps you thought you won't be able to do it, and you have done it. And you are sort of pampering yourself, or you should say you are giving that credit to yourself. It's giving you that boost, that self confidence, and that when you feel happy about yourself, it's like when the result comes out and you're number one, nobody would thought you will be able to be you will be able to score that much, and you've done it. It's something of that sort. Okay, and here with the Five of Cups, the Devil, and with the Two of Swords, yeah, it is definitely talking about the same thing. So it was something which you thought has spilled, you spoiled it, you won't be able to get it now. Perhaps you tried for it previously also, but you couldn't do it. Or it is talking about that past which you are turning your back to. Okay, so there was a time when you had things were spoiled, sort of, or spilled also. Because here with the Three of Cups, we are starting the reading with you turning your back towards something. So what I feel here is that this is that something which you are turning your back to. There was a time when you were in this energy, feeling very upset, not able to make it, and now you are feeling pretty happy that you've done it. You are able to manage it, you are able to achieve it. It was a similar reading few months back, or maybe even last month. Few readings back, I should say, not few months, but few readings back, it was a similar reading. Achieving the unachievable. And here again, it is coming off, it has the same vibe to it, but now the vibe is that this thing, whatever it is, it is in your grip. You have that hold on it. Okay, it's not that high now. It's not beyond you now. It's within your grip. Okay, and here with the Five of Cups, it's talking about that past energy which was there with the Devil and with the Two of Swords. It's just coming off that tied strings sort of a thing. It's something from the past which keeps coming up in your head many times. That's what I feel. It's just that past energy which keeps coming up, or uh, those past strings still attached type of a thing. Okay, though you have moved on, but it is that strings attached type of a thing which I'm getting over here, which you are still trying to fight in your head. And I think you are able to do it, because we have, following it, you have, maybe this is the time, it can be that since you are pampering yourself, you're pretty happy about the achievements which you have made now, that you are just reminiscing those times. Okay, yeah, just see, I never thought I'll be able to do it, and it was so tough. It was a long struggle, and this is how I felt at that time, the dark phase of life which you have turned your back to. So I think because this is the time of your achievement, so when you've achieved something, you do realize, and you do think about the past. Okay, this was the way it was, and now just see how far I have come. It's something like that. So these are the strings attached from the past, which do keep on coming and sort of poking their nose in between, but you are able to overcome them. Because here with the Sun, I feel you are liberating yourself from that negativity. You are coming out of it, you are happy, you are content in the present, you are content with the present. And with the Ace of Wands, what I feel here is that you are not only content, you've stabilized yourself here, because you have stabilized your brain, you have stabilized what you have been able to liberate yourself from whatever this negative was, though it keeps on coming up in between, but you are able to, or you will be able to stabilize yourself mentally, so that you get rid of these negative vibes which keep on coming off and on. But because here it is just talking about an energy, it is not affecting you. I don't think it is affecting you over here. It is just, it is a time when you are pampering yourself. So it is like, see, it was like this and now it's like this, I've done it, but you are not affected by it. It's just a memory now. Okay, because obviously you can't erase whatever your past was, so it's just a memory which is not affecting you here, and you have liberated yourself, or you're about to do so, and you are composed and stable in your present energy over here. And here with the nine of spades also, nine of clubs also, here we have the sun, which is all vibrant, all happiness, all sun shining bright. So you have the double sun over here, which talks about happiness. Three of emotion, wonderful news is on the way. Announcements regarding engagements, pregnancies, births, or graduations will be revealed. New friends will be made, or communities of like minded people will draw closer to one another. Exciting new beginnings or happy endings are around the corner. So, obviously, it is a new beginning and a happy ending for you. So, it's self explanatory over here, Gemini. So, I think it's a beautiful reading for you, Geminis. So I just hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.